It starts here, in this room, in this dorm, in this classroom, and on this mountain. Our journey begins behind the spotlight. We persevere through early mornings and late nights, driven by our passion to push ourselves to the limit, expand our knowledge, and unlock our full potential. We are embracing challenges, bring ideas to life on the national stage. We are redefining what's possible. We are harnessing our creativity, entrepreneurial spirit, and communications to forge a bright future. This is our time, our moment. What starts here starts with you.